Hey there guys, welcome back to another video in the Diego Guevara YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day, great afternoon, great night. In this channel, we'll teach you guys exactly what to do to get your own online business started. So let's get right into today's video. Peace.
Get strong.
Hey there guys, welcome back to a quick video. This video is just to say thank you so much for the support. We've gained a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers lately. This shows me that the content I've been creating is valuable and you guys are learning and hopefully enjoying. If there's anything else you would like to learn about, any specific topic on business, marketing, investing, crypto, mindset, motivation, anything you guys would like, even if you want to learn more about Costa Rica, whatever you guys are thinking, let me know. I'll make a video just for you guys. Please go ahead and leave the ideas in the comment. I have my agenda of videos, but I want to see what you guys want to learn so that I can create content that better suits you and what you are looking for in our channel. Again, thank you all for the support, for the love. It has become my full-time passion. I'm taking it super seriously. I'm investing 5 to 6 hours every single day learning new things to share with you guys. I've invested in different books, trainings, courses, mentorships, everything I can, so that when I create these videos for you guys, I have a lot of points of view, not just one. And just know that anytime I'm promoting myself or another product for another person, it's gonna be something I really believe in, I really use. I'm not gonna be one of those BS creators that just wants followers and subscribers because of whatever reason. My main goal is to teach you guys as much as I know and keep learning every single day so that I can become better for you guys. So hope you guys have enjoyed the content up until now. I'm going to be investing even more in the channel, new cameras, new intros, new music, everything. So every single video is going to be a little bit better than before. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys in the next one. Pura Vida.